What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Glimmy Bass. Tune in today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on Glitterbug.
What's up, glitter bugs? I had to have my daughter do my intro because she's lit. I'm coming to you today with SISTERLOC. SISTERLOC is like the best thing that has happened to my life, like since the quarantine. And I kind of did this before the quarantine. I started my SISTERLOC journey December 29th. And this is what has happened, guys. I didn't necessarily do like a whole like grid type thing. um I just kind of just did it because I had been wanting to get dreads, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna get super big dreads, I'm not gonna get traditional dreads. So I was like, sister lock is it is. So I've got some shrinkage going on because it's finally locking, y'all. I don't know if you can see this, but I am finally locking. And the only reason why it's like doing this crazy thing where it's looking like stiff, I gotta keep remembering to look at the camera, is because I kind of like had it styled and I sprayed spray on it so that it'll stay a certain way. So it's like kind of stiff right now. But guys, let me tell you something, ladies. If you have like fine hair, SISTERLOC is where it's at. The reason why I say fine hair is because I don't recommend women who have really coarse, thick hair to get SISTERLOC because the retie process is so tedious when you don't know what you're doing. Me, it's nothing. I retie my hair. I part it off in 4 sections. Basically just part it off like this, and then I part it off there, and I put this in a rubber band, and then I do the same thing until I have 4 sections, and then I just kind of sit on my couch, watch TV, and I'm just retying my hair as I'm watching TV. And it can be really tedious for people with really thick hair. So they are very pretty, but people who have really thick hair, I mean, if you want to have a life, I really wouldn't recommend you to get SISTERLOC. And that's just my opinion. Are there people out here who have really thick hair who has SISTERLOC? Yes. I'm just saying. Do you, sis? But yeah, if you've tried everything with your hair to get like thick, healthy hair and you just was not satisfied, this is the way to go. Kind of forever. No, let me stop. But so I've been colored, like I've been red. Everybody goes red first, and then of course I work at the hospital, so I can't like really do too much color. So I took that out and I went back blonde, and I just did like some color highlights. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's dark in here. This is like a blue, but it's not a dark blue. It's like a and you guys can't see. I don't have the best lighting, but it's really hard for you to see it. But these are like different shades of pink that I have in, and I just place like highlights sporadically because, like I said, I work at the hospital, and I can't really do the whole color thing. So this gives me time to rock my color and not get in trouble. Anyway, so if you need to know as far as product wise what to use on your SISTERLOC, guys, it's really not that complicated like a lot of people are making it out to be. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I've been licensed since 2006, and it's really not as complicated as everybody is going out there and making this to be. I've never used rose water. Save your coins, sis. You're paying all this money for products that it really don't do nothing. I mean, I can tell you about some stuff that I have been using. I could do some product reviews on some products that I have been using. My daughter, she's getting ready to get locked up. I'm getting ready to lock her up. She has, really good healthy hair. We were actually in the middle of doing a color because she had a color in her hair, and we were in the middle of just gonna correct her color and put a new color in. So I was like taking out what she had in, um She said, "Mom, I want sister locks." She's really tender headed, so I'm over it. I wasn't gonna lock her up because her hair is so pretty. Like right now, it's a mess. But when I condition it and I straighten it out, because she's natural, she don't have relaxer or nothing like that. It's beautiful. And then sometimes we do twist outs and stuff like that. It's beautiful, but really truly the only reason why, because I never want to be that mom that make my kids get sister locks or dreads because I have them, but it kind of works for us because she's tender headed. I want her to be able to just get up and go. I work, I'm a nurse, I work long hours, and I really don't have the time to do her hair and take my time like I used to when I was just doing hair in the hair salon. You know, I had a lot more free time on my hands. So I think that, and then plus I'd be ready to beat her down. So I feel like this is a good decision for us. So, like I said, guys, if you want to know product reviews on what to use on your sister locks and how to have healthy sister locks, I mean, anything you want to know, any video that you want me to like really sit down and do a review on, put it in the comments, guys.
And y'all, make sure you let us know what you want us to call you, because I will call you glitter bugs.
Glitter bugs.
You know what I'm saying? But, you know.
Glitter me bad, all things glittery.
Okay,
first in line.
Let me do the outro.
Okay.
Wait, this outro. Right?
Yeah, this outro. You gotta look at the camera right there.
I forgot what to say. Okay. Alright, bye guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and what next video you want to see. Tune into more videos and vlogs. And I'll see you next time.